Okay, boys, in the last class, we finished up to this. We finished this formula. Okay. Linear congruential method. We finished in the last class. We solved two questions, one question from Kitab, one question I have given, and I solved that question. Okay, so in today's class, we will discuss another topic. The topic is test for random number. Test for random number. Okay, so there are different tests that you can do for random number. So okay, so there are ethane property, uniformity, and independence. These ethane property we discussed in the starting of this lecture. Shofina, in this lecture, lecture number 1, chapter 6.1, we discuss here show uniformity and independence. These are the ethane property. So for these property, we have same here uniformity and independence. So for these, we have five type of test. Okay, five types of test. Okay, number one is frequency test, number two run test, number three, and number four. Okay, so we will see one by one. Frequency test yani in frequency test we will use Colgoromo Simron. This we will discuss alone. On this we will discuss the numerical question, how the Kanun, how the question will come. Okay. Next is chi-square test. Next class we will show chi-square test. Okay. Next test is number two run test. We will do run test. We will run up, run down, run above, run below by calculating the mean. Mean malum like A plus B plus C divided by talata. Here some answer, let's say X. So we will calculate the mean. Based on the mean, we will run test. Then we will compare the result. Okay, next is autocorrelation test. Autocorrelation yani the relation between number and then comparing the sample correlation to the expected correlation of zero. Yani what is the result, we will compare that result with the sample correlation. Next is a gap test. Gap test yani it will count the number of digits that appear between the repetition. Meaning is, for example, 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 8, 7, 1, 3, 2. So this is 2. This is 2. How many digit? Talata digit hina. Other 2. This is also 2. Hina kam digit? Arba digit. So this is the gap test yani when wahid digit is repeated one more time, then we will calculate how many digits are in between that number. For example, here is the 2, here also 2, so in between this we have 3 digits. Again, next from here to here we have 4 digit. Okay, so this is known as gap test. So we have arba test here. Number one frequency, number two run, number three autocorrelation, number four gap test. These ARBA tests we will do to check the uniformity and independence for random number. Okay, students, any problem in this? Clear? This is theoretical question. Okay, Mumkin no mass question on this. Next is a poker test. Poker test yani here, as we discussed Gadim, Wahid is uniformity, Wahid is independence. So in exam mumkin question for uniformity, uktub the hypothesis for poker test. So you will uktub this. Same for independence you will uktub the hypothesis for poker test, so you will uktub this question, any question like this. Write the hypothesis for uniformity in poker test. So uniformity यानी h0 upon h1 r1 ri less than equal to u 0 1 here not equal to 0 1. So like this is the answer. Okay students, so this is the poker test. Now we have frequency test as we discuss number 1. See here, we discuss here frequency test. So in frequency test alone we will discuss this Colgoromo Simron. So same here, frequency test yani this is the kanun, this is the formula, okay, and this how we will calculate. This is Colgoromo-Simron, yani this is to compare the continuous value with empirical value and observation. This we will show. Awal we will show the question, then we will see this how it is coming. This is very easy. This is all formulas. Okay. Awal we will see the numerical question. This also step 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5 we will shuf baden. Awwal we will shuf the question. This is the question. Perform the Colgoromo-Simron test with this value, critical value this on generated. Yani this number मौजूद in question. So step number 1 uktub hina ri. Step number 2 uktub hina I divided by n. Step number 3 uktub hina I divided by n minus ri. Next step ri minus I minus 1 divided by. This understand? We will this ri I by n, this all you will see in the kitab. See here ri I by n, this all मौजूद in. I will explain this, no problem. So in step number 1 what you will do, shift this 547398011068. This is Mafi in Tartib, Mafi in order. So in step number 1 you have to arrange it into the order. So tell me which one Awwal, tell me the smallest one, smallest number. Mohammed, tell me the smallest number. 0. No 0 on this. From this, which one is small? From this, which, yes, 0.11. So uktub hina 0.11. Next, tell me. Next, after this, 0.54. After this, 0. Come 68. After this 0.73. After this 0.98. This is step number 1. Okay. yes. So meaning is R यानी random number, R यानी random number. So in question मौजूद random number, I यानी हिना you arrange कुल्लू random number in तरतीब, यानी here you will arrange the random numbers given in the question in order, in increasing order, यानी you have to start from the smallest number, go up to the highest number. Okay, step number 1 understand all students? Okay, now step number 2, this is very important step. Here uktub I यानी this is start from 0 1 2 3 4, this is number. Okay, now tell me I divided by n. So hina I यानी ash, I यानी come, tell me what is the value of I? What is the value of I? What is the value of I? 5. No, no 5. Shofina, I for this box, I yani 0. Understand? Okay. Yes. Divided by n. n यानी कम नंबर मौजूद. In question, how many number? वाहिद इतने तलाता अरबा खमसा. यानी how many number? n यानी how much? n यानी 5. Now tell me here, what is the value of I? 1. 1 divided by 1 divided by 5. Hina? Yes, hina 2 divided by 5, hina 3 divided by 5, hina 4 divided by 5. So if you calculate with the help of calculator, then how much? बता दो. किसी कार की? 5 from where come? 5 because here see in the question how many number मौजूद? 5 मौजूद. So that's why automatic 5. Understand? Yes. I am students. There is Wahid Khata. I will again. Here start from Wahid. Mafi from Sifar. Hina Wahid, Hina Itnain, Hina Talata, Hina Arba, Hina Khamsa. Because if you start from 0, it will create problem for you. So hina I yani hina wahid divided by khamsa, hina itnain divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, 5 divided by 5. Okay student, no problem. Yes, I start from 1. Okay, so here calculate 1 divided by 5 yani come, calculator tell me 1 divided by 5 yani come 0. Student fast, open calculator, tell me 1 divided by 5, 1 divided by 5, it is 0 0.20, hina 0 0.40, yes, other 0 0.60, this is 0 0.80, and this is 1. Okay, so like this. Okay student, this understand? This yani this understand, this understand, this understand. Okay, now tell me I Hina Kanun I divide by N yani same this. R I yani same this. So tell me Hina come. Tell me value. Anyone? This wait. 0.20, yes, very good. Hina 0.20 minus 0.11. Hina come next box. In the next box it is 0 point come. Next box 0 point. Yes, Mohammed. 0 point. Mafi minus 0.40 minus 0.54. We will calculate by then. Hina 0.60 minus 0.68. Okay. Here 0.80 minus 0.73. Here 1 minus 0.98. Yes, Mohammed, open calculator and tell me the answer. Here 0.09. Next, here 0.40 minus 0.54 यानी लाजिम माइनस, हाँ, minus 0.14. Okay, here minus come 0.08. Okay, yes. Next, here tell me come 0.80, 0.73 यानी 73, 0.07. Here come 0.98, hina 1. So come 0.02. Yes, 0.02. Okay, this understand? Any problem in this, students? Okay, so this understand. Now next, hada RI. Oh, hada RI yani this I minus 1. So tell me the value of Ri. What is Ri? Ri yani 0.11 minus, what is value of I? What is value of I? 1. But then minus 1 divided by come n yani come, n yani how many number kullu, कम सा number मौजूद, yes 5. Calculation baden. Okay, next here box. What is the value of Ri? Ri yani 0.54 minus, what is value of I? I yani itnen minus 1 divided by khamsa. Here 0.68 minus I yani kam talata minus wahid divided by n yani khamsa. Here tell me. Yes, 0.73 minus I yani arba minus 1, yes, good, divided by khamsa. Here 0.98 माइनस खमसा माइनस वाहिद, खमसा माइनस वाहिद, खमसा minus वाहिद divided by खमसा. Okay, so calculate. What is the answer here? 1 minus 1 यानी हदा 0, 0 divided by खमसा यानी automatic कम. Mohammed, open calculator and tell me. It is automatic 0.11. Okay, here यानी इतनेन minus 1, इतनेन minus 1 यानी वाहिद by खमसा यानी 0.20. So 0.54 minus 0.20 कम 0.3. Yeah. Next. तलाता -1 यानी तलाता -1 यानी सॉरी तलाता -1 यानी इतनेन बाई खमसा यानी 0.40 minus 0.68. So hada equal to 0.28. Okay. Here arba -1 यानी तलाता बाई खमसा यानी 0.60 minus 0.73. The answer 0.13. Okay. Here खमसा -1 यानी arba by खमसा यानी 0.80 minus 0.98 यानी आधा 0.18. Okay, students, up to here understand or no? All students understand? Okay, yani this also finish. Now step next, what you have to do in this table, tell me the Kabir value, maximum value. What is the maximum value? Oh, wait. Hina, in this box, minus yani hada, minus yani hada, plus, tahat also plus. Okay, so yani in this box the minus value mafi take, only take the plus value. So hina 0.09, hina 0.07, hina 0.02. So what is the maximum value? 0. Yes, so maximum value is 0.09. Okay, and hina what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value here? Maximum value is 0.34. Hina show the maximum. Okay, so after this what you have to do, yani meaning is d plus max I divided by n minus ri. The answer d plus d minus max ri minus I minus 1 divided by n. The answer. Okay, then this. Now what you have to do, d equal to max d plus d minus. So d plus यानी उक्तुब हिना, d minus यानी उक्तुब हिना, यानी 0.09 and हिना 0.34 max. So what is the Kabir value? 0.09, 0.34. What is the Kabir value? 0.34. Yani this is your answer. After that, what you have to do? After this, what you have to do? In question, मौजूद this value, critical value. Uktub this value here, 0.565, and your answer uktub here 0.34. So your answer is Kabir or Mafi? The value मौजूद in the question is Kabir. So if the value मौजूद in the question is Kabir, then what you will uktub? Here it is not rejected. Okay, you will uktub not rejected. If for example value and your answer Kabir, then uktub here it is rejected. If answer Kabir, rejected. If answer Sagir, Mafi, rejected. Understand? Okay. So this is the question, Khamsa Mas question, Kabir question in exam. Okay. So you have to do like this. Okay. Now you will see step. Shofina, now you will understand more clear. Step number 1, rank the data from smallest to largest. As I told you, step number 1 yani Ash, in the step number 1 number मौजूद in question, you have to arrange in तरतीब, yani अव्वल small, baden big, like this. So this is yani step number 1. Shofina, hada step number 1. Step number 2, calculate this and this. Yani this is the table. This is kullu table. In this table, you have to calculate this value. This value. This value and this value. Okay. So this is the step number 2. Step number 3, compute D max. Hada is step number 3. Calculate answer. 3, hada 2, hada 1, and akhir yani this. This is step number 4. Understand now? Clear? I think. So these are the steps. Okay. These are the steps. In exam Mafi, yani mumkin question, uktub the steps, so you will write in your own English. Yani in step number 1, value मौजूद in question, we have to arrange in तरतीब, yani we have to arrange it into order, starting from smallest to the largest. Step number 2, we will calculate the table. From the table, we have to calculate the maximum value, yani Kabir value from आखिर इतने row. Step number 3, we will calculate the maximum value and we have to compare. Step number 4, we have to compare our answer with the critical value मौजूद in the question. If answer is Sagir, then it is Mafi, rejected. If answer is Kabir, then hada Fi, rejected. Okay, this is the आखिर इतने. Okay students, any problem in this? Yes, student, any question you can ask.
No, thank you.
Okay. Now this Bagi, this is Kitab question. I will solve this question also. So this is the value. Step number 1. هنا اكتب I. هنا اكتب Ri. هنا اكتب I by N. هنا اكتب I by N minus Ri. هنا اكتب Ri minus I minus 1 divided by N. I यानी start from वाहिद इतनेन तलाता अरबा खमसा بعدين okay RI هنا موجود شوف this number we have to arrange in तरतीब यानी we have to start from smallest यानी هذا smallest I think 0.14 بعدين 0.14 or 0.05 then it is 0.14, then it is 0.44, then it is 0.81, then it is 0.93. Okay, so this is step number 1 in तरतीब. Step number 2 I यानी कम हिना वाहिद, so वाहिद divided by n यानी कम नंबर मौजूद, वाहिद इतने तलाता अरबा खमसा नंबर मौजूद, so 1 divided by खमसा, هنا 2 divided by 5 هنا 3 divided by 5 4 divided by 5 5 divided by 5 so this value is 1 divided by 5 यानी 0.20 هنا 0.40 هذا 0.60 0.80 this is 1 now I divided by n minus ri यानी هذا 0.20 minus 0.05 هنا 0.40 minus 0.14 هنا 0.06 minus 0.44 هنا 0.80 minus 0.81 هنا 1 minus 0.93 okay now هنا ri यानी هنا 0.05 minus I यानी कम वाहिद minus वाहिद divided by 5 هنا 0.14 minus इतनेन minus 1 divided by 5 next هنا 0.44 minus तलाता minus 1 divided by 5 هنا 0.81 minus अरबा minus 1 divided by 5 0.93 minus 5 minus 1 divided by 5 like this بعدين you will calculate the maximum value from here بعدين maximum value from where min hina calculate maximum again now this maximum and value मौजूद in question where in the question shufina in the question critical value this is critical value 0.565 so if your answer Kabir then 0.565 then uktub rejected if your answer is sagir then number uktub maafi rejected understand so this is the